Imagine getting into a car accident tomorrow. You weren't texting. You weren't speeding. Yet your insurance company still pays for your medical bills, even if the other driver caused the crash. Sounds confusing? That's because millions of drivers misunderstand no-fault car insurance, and this misunderstanding could cost you thousands of dollars after an accident. In today's video, I'll explain exactly what no-fault insurance is, how it works in the US and Canada, what it does, and what it doesn't do, so you can better understand your coverage in 2026. Let's dive in. What is no-fault car insurance? Despite the name, no-fault insurance doesn't mean no one is responsible for causing an accident. Instead, it generally means that after certain types of accidents, your own insurance pays for certain covered medical expenses and related losses, regardless of who caused the collision. The goal is simple: get injured drivers compensated more quickly without waiting for lengthy legal disputes. However, this doesn't mean you can never sue another driver. In some places, lawsuits may still be allowed under specific legal thresholds or circumstances. What does it typically cover? Coverage depends on where you live in your policy, but no-fault insurance often includes benefits such as medical expenses for covered injuries, rehabilitation and therapy costs, certain lost income if you're unable to work, essential services, depending on local rules and policy terms. In many cases, it does not automatically cover damage to your vehicle. Vehicle damage is often handled through other parts of your insurance policy. That's one of the biggest misunderstandings drivers have. Where does no-fault insurance exist? In the United States, only certain states have no-fault insurance systems, while many others use traditional fault-based systems. In Canada, insurance systems differ by province. Some provinces have versions of no-fault benefits, while others combine no-fault benefits with the ability to pursue legal action under certain conditions. That's why moving to another state or province may change how your insurance works. Always check the rules where your vehicle is registered. No-fault versus at-fault insurance. Here's an easy way to understand the difference. No-fault insurance. Your insurer generally pays certain covered medical benefits first. Claims may be processed faster. Lawsuits may be limited in some situations. At-fault insurance. The driver responsible for the accident is generally financially responsible for covered damages. Determining fault often becomes an important part of the claims process. Lawsuits are more common depending on local laws. Neither system is universally better. Each has advantages and trade-offs. Should you have no-fault coverage? If you live where no-fault coverage is required, you'll generally need to carry the minimum coverage required by law. Even if it's optional, understanding how it works can help you choose appropriate protection. When comparing policies, don't focus only on the premium. Also compare medical benefits, coverage limits, deductibles, exclusions, claims service, optional coverages. A cheaper policy today may provide less protection when you need it most. Final thoughts. No-fault insurance isn't about deciding who caused the accident. It's about helping covered drivers receive certain benefits more quickly after a crash. Before buying or renewing your policy, understand exactly what your insurance covers and what it doesn't. Knowing the difference today could save you money, stress, and confusion tomorrow. If this video helped you understand no-fault car insurance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. On this channel, we explain insurance, personal finance, banking, investing, and money topics in simple language to help you make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.